Today, we are excited to bring you some construction technologies. We cover topics about Amazon products and gadgets on a regular basis on our channel. Make sure you subscribe so you won't miss any updates from us. Lusum. Lusum creates innovative light-transmitting concrete by embedding optical fibers into concrete panels, allowing light to pass through the material. This fusion of light and structure enables stunning architectural effects for walls, facades, and interiors. Products like Luckin and Starlight offer unique patterns, from uniform glow to starry effects. Combined with LED lighting, Lusum panels deliver customizable, energy-efficient, and artistic illumination, redefining modern design. Perry AlphaKit. Perry AlphaKit is a modular shoring and bridging system designed for efficient and safe construction support. Made from lightweight steel components, it allows fast, crane-free assembly with minimal tools. Ideal for truss girders, shoring towers, and pedestrian bridges, it handles heights up to 30 meters and spans up to 27.75 meters. Its simple design and versatile use reduce inventory and costs, making it a smart solution for complex construction needs. Element Bodish. The WoodTech Element Bodish is a modular assembly table designed by WoodTech Fankhauser GmbH for timber frame prefabrication. Its base module measures 1.5 by 3.0 meters, allowing customization to various dimensions by adding extensions. The table features a 250 by 250 millimeters hole grid, facilitating flexible positioning of pneumatic cylinders and other accessories. This design ensures high precision and squareness in assembling wall, roof, and ceiling elements. Additional accessories, such as edge stop plates and quick-release stops, enhance efficiency and adaptability in the prefabrication process. Unfold Form. Unfold Form is an innovative, reusable formwork system developed at ETH Zurich's Block Research Group, designed to create vaulted concrete structures while significantly reducing material usage. The system comprises thin, flexible plywood strips connected by textile hinges, allowing the formwork to unfold like a fan into a zigzag-shaped mold. This design enables rapid assembly and disassembly, facilitating reuse and minimizing waste. NPS Flex. NPS Flex is an innovative composite steel concrete structural system developed by TechnoStructure, designed for disassembly and reuse. This approach facilitates the reuse of structural components, reducing waste and future disposal costs. The system offers flexibility for future building adaptations, aligning with sustainability goals and demonstrating a commitment to environmental responsibility. Hilti Gybot. The Hilti Gybot is a semi-autonomous mobile drilling robot designed to perform overhead drilling based on BIM, building information modeling data. It enhances construction site safety and productivity by automating repetitive drilling tasks with precision. Gybot reduces human strain, improves accuracy, and ensures consistent execution directly from digital plans. Ideal for MEP installations, it's a game-changer for modern construction workflows. Mycotile. Mycotile is a Nairobi-based company specializing in sustainable building materials made from agricultural waste and mushroom mycelium. Their products, such as wall and roof insulation panels, offer superior acoustic and fire-retardant properties at a lower cost than traditional materials. This eco-friendly approach addresses Kenya's housing deficit by providing affordable, compostable alternatives to conventional construction materials. Balfour Beatty. Balfour Beatty is a leading international infrastructure group providing construction, engineering, and investment services. Operating globally, it specializes in civil engineering, building, maintenance, and PPP projects. Recent contracts include £192 million for electrical substations in Scotland. Despite challenges in the U.S. military housing sector, Balfour Beatty remains a key player in developing essential infrastructure across sectors, including energy, healthcare, and transport. FLIR C124 LD+. The FLIR C124 LD+ is an advanced acoustic imaging camera designed to detect and quantify pressurized leaks in compressed air systems. Utilizing 124 low-noise MEMS microphones, it visualizes ultrasonic information, enabling users to identify leaks up to 10 times faster than traditional methods. This handheld device offers features like auto filter and auto distance to enhance leak detection accuracy. It operates effectively in environments with ambient noise levels up to 85 dB. MSE wall coping panels. MSE wall coping panels are precast or cast-in-place concrete units installed atop mechanically stabilized earth (MSE) retaining walls. They serve to conceal the top edges of facing panels, providing a uniform and aesthetically pleasing finish. Additionally, coping panels enhance the structural integrity of the wall by securing the top panels and can accommodate features like pedestrian railings, fence posts, and drainage elements. Thank you for watching this gadget-filled adventure. Stay tuned for more exciting discoveries, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to never miss out on the latest tech trends.